Imagine if your website didn't just troubleshoot problems, but proactively helped your customers find exactly what they're looking for instead. That's where Lyro comes in. Lyro is a conversational AI designed to act as a proactive sales guide, helping customers find the right product and recover sales before they bounce. In this video, we're going to show you how to set up product recommendations with Lyro, so it can suggest the perfect item exactly when your customers need them. With Lyro connected to your product catalog, it can recommend products, compare items, suggest variants like size and color, and propose complementary products. Let's set this up in your Tidio panel where you can make this work in just one click. First, Lyro needs access to your store products. So head to your Lyro AI section here and click Products, and then you choose your platform, whether that's WooCommerce or Shopify. Then click Continue to import your catalog. And here you could also enable product recommendations for Lyro, and if you want, Copilot. If you're not on WooCommerce or Shopify and you're on a custom store, you can still connect your product catalog via OpenAPI. Choose the option to add products via API. This is platform agnostic. You can push your product database to Tidio through the API. But do note that this is more advanced and requires technical knowledge. So here you can share the Tidio OpenAPI docs with your developer. Your developer uploads the products to Tidio using the products batch endpoint. After that, your catalog appears here, and you can toggle whether it's used by Lyro and/or Copilot. Now Lyro is set up to pull information from the actual products in your store to help shoppers make confident decisions in real time. Lyro automatically detects the visitor's current URL if they're browsing a product, so it knows exactly which page the visitor is on, and if they're browsing a specific product, Lyro already has the product details. Let's test this out as a customer using our website chat widget. I'm going to open up the chat widget and type in, I'm looking for a blue hoodie for everyday wear. Any recommendations? And you'll see Lyro suggests a few relevant blue hoodies from the catalog with links to the product, so the shopper can click straight into the product. And now let's add some constraints and specify what kind of material that you'd like. So I'll type in, do you have any t-shirts that go with this hoodie for under $20, preferably 100% cotton? And you'll see Lyro responding back, saying that there's a t-shirt priced at $19.99 in 100% cotton. So Lyro narrows down the options based on what's in your product data, including price, materials, and descriptions, and surfaces those options in your conversations with customers. Now let's ask about variants. I'll type in, do you have this hoodie in other colors in a size L? And here, Lyro uses page content to suggest variants like size and color, so shoppers don't have to bounce. And you can see Lyro giving some suggestions here. And then you could also ask Lyro to compare products. Let's type in which one is warmer for winter, the blue pullover hoodie or the gray zip-up hoodie. And Lyro will use the product info that you already have, like fabric weight, breathability, and use case. So you could see that Lyro suggested the gray zip-up hoodie for winter because it's fabric composition, so it has wool in it, so it's a little bit warmer. So if you have all of this in your product descriptions, this is something that Lyro can respond with to customers. Let's see if Lyro will suggest a hat for us. I'll buy the gray hoodie. Any recommendations on matching hats? And this is where you can set up your upsells. So Lyro recommends complementary items to complete the look without sounding too pushy. Remember, your product catalog stays in sync as you update products in Shopify or WooCommerce. So make sure you have high quality titles, descriptions, and attributes to keep Lyro operating at its best. Now you've seen how Lyro can support product discovery, help shoppers find the right items, and make your conversations more efficient. Don't forget to check out the other videos in this playlist for more in-depth tutorials on Lyro. And drop us a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.